Ever heard of digital fashion? Hi, it's Jess. I'm a 3D digital fashion designer and the founder of Isadoska. And today I want to talk about something that's been shaking up the fashion industry, the rise of 3D digital fashion. Gone are the days of solely relying on physical garments and traditional fashion shows. Now, designers and brands are embracing digital fashion. What exactly is 3D digital fashion? It's all about using cutting-edge technology like Clo3D and Blender to design, visualize, and produce virtual garments. From creating lifelike avatars to experimenting with textures and fabric, the possibilities and applications are endless. Digital fashion can be used as skins in games, uses AR filters for virtual try-ons, and save time during your design process. And the best part, digital fashion not only boosts your level of creativity, but also sustainability. Instead of relying on physical prototypes and wasteful materials, designers can iterate and refine their designs digitally, saving time, resources, and energy. But it's not all just about the practical benefits. Digital fashion opens up way more avenues for expression and inclusivity, allowing designers to push the boundaries in more unconventional ways. Doesn't that all sound interesting to you? If it did, make sure to give me a follow and I'll keep you updated on more content like this.